A very good day. My name is Ganesh Ajinta Kumar. Today I'm going to present about my statistic of project. For my part is chapter 6. As you can see, this is our data table which is modified for the specific chapter which is chapter 6, which is the previous data we don't have the value of y, and now we got the value of y, which is only modified for the chapter 6. First of all, from the above data, let's plot a simple linear regression model. As you can see, this is the model for the simple linear regression of the above data given, which is this data. And the straight line is called as line of best fit. And for the y-axis is bilangan jualan, and for the x-axis is jumlah, and this is the value of error. And this is the main formula for this whole chapter. After that, let's assume that the question is fit a least square line that will enable us to predict the bilangan jualan in terms of the relative jumlah. Interpret the result. As you can see, this is the question for the least square line, and this is all the solution for that questions. The first one is the total of the value of x, which is 150, and the second one is the total of the value of y, which is 54, and this is the x square, and the total of the x square value is 7350, and the total value of y square is 818. And this is the value of multiply of x and y, and this is the value which is 2405. Finally, the n value is 4, which you all can see that each of the column got only 4 quantity, so the n value is 4. After that, we have to do the value of sxy, which is this is the main formula of the sxy, which is xi yi minus 1 minus n in bracket sinusoidal xi close bracket, another bracket sinusoidal y close bracket. This is the value, this is the calculation for the xxy, which is 2405 minus 1 over 4, which is we call as n, and the 150 times with 54. The 150 is the xi value, which is, you can see the 150, and the yi is the 54, which is, you can see the total value of y value is 54, and the answer is 380. After that, we have to do the calculation for xx, which is x square I minus 1 over n in bracket sinusoidal xi close bracket overall square. The x square value is 7350. As you can see, the x square value is 7350. After that, minus with 1 over 4, which is called n bracket 150 close bracket square. The xy value is 150, which is, you can see the x value is 150. And this is the calculation. The overall answer is 1725. After that, we have to do the calculation for the beta 1. The beta 1, the formula for beta 1 is sxy over sxx, which is 380 divided by 1725. This answer is given in the data above, and the answer is 0.2203. And for the part beta 0 is, and the formula for the beta 0 is y bar minus beta 1 times with x bar. Y bar is the total of the y value divided by the n. The total is 54 as I mentioned before, and the divided by n also I mentioned before. So minus with the beta 1 value, you all can see the beta 1 value, and the x bar value is as same as the y bar value, which is the total of x divided by the n value, which is 4. And this is the solution. The final answer is 5.2388. After we do until this solution, we have to put all the answers in the main formula, which is y equals to beta 0 plus beta 1x, which is I mentioned before. And this is the main formula. So we just input the value of beta 0 and the beta 1. So as you all can see, the y equals to 5.2388 plus with beta 1 value, which is 0.2203, and x. And this is the statement that shows that if the value of Jumla is increased and the value for the bilangan jualan also increased by 0.2203. So this is the second question. Estimate the bilangan jualan when the relative jumlah is 20. In this question, they are already given the value of x, which is 20, which is this one, and we have to write the main formula, which is done before this, and then input the value of the x value. As you can see, we got the y value, which is 9.6448, or we call as 10. So this is the final value. As you can see, this is all we do for the chapter 6. And that's all from me today. Thank you.